Hi everyone! Welcome to Music and Movement from the Algonquin Library. I'm Miss Jen. This week, it's Thanksgiving, and to get ready for the holiday, I'm working on baking up something fun. Today's Music and Movement. All of our stories are about baking and sweet treats. We're going to get started with a rhyme. We are going to make one of my favorite things to make, and that's cookies! Can you get ready to hold your big bowl out? That's what we're going to start with our cookies. And this comes from Sunflower Storytime. Here we go. I am making cookie dough. Round and round the beaters go. Pour some flour from a cup. Stir and stir the batter up. Oh, now we need our rolling pins. Roll them. And our cookie cutters cut them nice and neat. And now place them on a cookie sheet. Bake them, count them, 1, 2, 3, 2 for my friends, and 1 for me. Yum, 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 yum. That was so great. I think we should do it again. Let's try it one more time. Are you ready? I am making cookie dough. Round and round the beaters go. Add some flour from a cup. Pour it in. And then stir. Oh, it's hard work. Stir and stir the batter up. Good job. Now roll them. Get your rolling pin. Roll them. Cut them. Nice and neat. And place them on your cookie sheet. Bake them. Count them. 1, 2, 3. 2 for my friends. And 1 for me. Yum. What are your favorite kinds of cookies? I think my favorite right now are snickerdoodles. All that cinnamon is perfect for the fall. For our next song, we are going to have some yummy cupcakes. But instead of making them this time, we're going to go to a bakery to buy them. This flannel comes from the Algonquin Library Archives. Can you help me count how many cupcakes we're going to be playing with today? Let's see. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Look at that. 5 yummy cupcakes. So, let's give our song a try. Here we go. Down around the corner at the bakery shop were 5 yummy cupcakes with sprinkles on top. Along comes someone with $1 to pay. They picked out a cupcake and took it away. Yum. How many cupcakes do we have left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down around the corner at the bakery shop were 4 yummy cupcakes with sprinkles on top. Along came someone with $1 to pay. They picked out a cupcake and they took it away. Ooh, this time they're taking the one with the lemon on it. That looks yummy. How many cupcakes do we have left? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Down around the corner at the bakery shop were 3 yummy cupcakes with sprinkles on top. Along came someone with $1 to pay. They picked out a cupcake and they took it away. Oh, let's take the pink one this time. And how many cupcakes are there now? 1, 2. Down around the corner at the bakery shop were 2 yummy cupcakes with sprinkles on top. Along came someone with $1 to pay. They picked out a cupcake and they took it away. I'm going to pick the one with the candle this time. There it goes. How many cupcakes do we have left? 1. Down around the corner at the bakery shop was one yummy cupcake with sprinkles on top. Along came someone with $1 to pay. They picked out a cupcake and they took it away. There it goes. That's the last cupcake. Yum, 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 yum. And how many cupcakes do we have left? None. That's right. 0 cupcakes. We have one more song to sing today. This song is all about making a special Thanksgiving pie. It's to the tune of Here We Go Round the Mulberry Bush, and it comes from Storytime Hooligans. We're going to start, let's see, what kind of pie do you have at Thanksgiving? I bet lots of people have different kinds of pies. My family sometimes has apple pie, or we'll have pecan pie, or we'll have French silk pie sometimes. But there's a type of pie that I know is very popular at Thanksgiving. Pumpkin pie! What are some of your favorite pies? Can you tell me? Go ahead and shout them out. Oh, those all sound so delicious. I've even heard of chocolate chip cookie pie. That sounds great. But today our song for making our Thanksgiving pie is all about making pumpkin pie. So to start, can you put your hand out and do your other hand? We're going to slice our pumpkin up. Let's give it a try. This is the way we slice the pumpkin, slice the pumpkin, slice the pumpkin. This is the way we slice the pumpkin to make Thanksgiving pie. Nice work. Next, we have to pour our flour to make our pie crust. This is the way we pour the flour, pour the flour, pour the flour. This is the way we pour the flour to make Thanksgiving pie. Excellent! Now we're going to roll our dough out. Can you pretend you're holding a rolling pin? And we're going to roll it out nice and flat. This is the way we roll the dough, roll the dough, roll the dough. This is the way we roll the dough to make Thanksgiving pie. Excellent. Now we've got our pie crust ready to go. We have to stir our filling. You ready to stir it up? This is the way we stir the filling, stir the filling, stir the filling. This is the way we stir the filling to make Thanksgiving pie. And we need some spices in our filling. Can you get ready to sprinkle your spices? This is the way we sprinkle the spices, sprinkle the spices, sprinkle the spices. This is the way we sprinkle the spices to make Thanksgiving pie. Oh, and now it's time to bake it. Let's put it in our oven. We'll slide it in. This is the way we bake our pie, bake our pie, bake our pie. This is the way we bake our pie on Thanksgiving Day. You know what? That pie is out of the oven. I think it's time to eat some pie. Are you ready? This is the way we eat a slice. Yum! Eat a slice. Yum! Eat a slice. Yum! This is the way we eat a slice. Yum! Of Thanksgiving pie. Oh my goodness. That was so much fun. Thanks so much for helping me to make Thanksgiving pie. Maybe you'll have a chance to help one of your grown-ups make a dessert for Thanksgiving, or maybe you'll just get a chance to eat something yummy this week. I hope you do. In the meantime, Music and Movement will be back next week for one last session this year. I look forward to seeing you then. Please make sure you take care of yourself, wash your hands, try and stay safe, and I hope I'll get to see you soon. Bye!